The fascist policy of BJP is trying to change the map of South Asia, not through friendship or talks, but through pressure and force.
बीजेपी 24 घंटा नफरत, हिंसा, नफरत, हिंसा, नफरत, हिंसा.
Relations with the world are getting worse, and India is now on the path towards isolation in the global arena. And it's all because of Modi's brutish and irrational governance. The recent episode involving Pakistan has globally exposed India's vulnerabilities, shattering the image that India has tried to project. Speaking on the forum program on Suno FM, defense analyst Air Marshal retired Saeed Khan shared his view.
किसी भी मुल्क के लिए ये बहुत जरूरी है कि वो जब कोई भी स्टेटमेंट अपने ऑफिशियल लेवल पे दे तो दुनिया उस स्टेटमेंट को सुने, समझे और उसको सोचे कि ये लोग सही बात कर। लेकिन इस कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के बाद जो इंडिया के बारे में सबसे मजबूत तासुर उभरा है कि ये लोग झूठ बोलते हैं। और अगर किसी मुल्क के बारे में अगर ये ख्याल हो जाए कि ये लोग झूठ बोलते हैं, आपकी स्टैंडिंग वर्ल्ड कमिटी ऑफ नेशंस में बिल्कुल डिमिनिश हो जाती है।
Once a self-declared leader of South Asia, India now stands exposed not as a unifier but as a bully. From Dhaka to Kathmandu, the region is rising against Modi's iron-fisted politics. The myth of regional supremacy is finally crumbling. Since Modi rose to power in 2014, India's secular democratic fabric has steadily unraveled. The Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) openly discriminates against Muslims. The abrogation of Article 370 dismantled Kashmir's autonomy, turning the valley into one of the world's most heavily militarized zones.
India is being administered by a gangster, I can say, a thug, a political thug, who is basing his political pursuits totally on the Hindutva ideology.
Following the abrupt Operation Sindoor, India has made no attempt to engage with other South Asian nations to mitigate or manage the fallout from its controversial actions, signaling a troubling shift in its regional diplomacy. While speaking at Mumbai Press Club, Praveen Sone, editor Force News and defense analyst, openly criticized India's strategic failures within South Asia. Let's listen what he has to say.
हमने सार्क को और साउथ एशिया को स्ट्रेटेजिकली छोड़ दिया। अब जब आप कोई जगह छोड़ देते हैं, कोई और आके भर लेगा उसको, तो हमें कोई खास दिलचस्पी है नहीं नेबरहुड में। नाउ वी आर फीलिंग लॉस्ट कि क्या क्वाड को अहमियत मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी। आर वी स्टिल द सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइडर और नॉट फॉर द इंडियन ओशन रीजन? दैट क्लैरिटी इज नॉट कमिंग।
If things continue like this, South Asian countries may choose to form regional alliances excluding India. This shift will allow China to expand its influence in the region, further diminishing India's standing on the global stage.